All right, we have a big twist in the Aryan Khan drug bust case. Of course, it's taken a complete political spin here with the NCB now being accused of extortion. The chief, Samir Wankhede, while Samir Wankhede himself saying he's being targeted by politicians in Maharashtra. More details on that. Sahil Joshi bringing us right there from our Mumbai office. Sahil, over to you. The case has now become a lot more murkier, with aspersions cast on the credibility of the NCB owing to what the witness number one has claimed, saying that he was asked or forced to sign on a blank panchnama. Furthermore, accusing Samir Wankhede of plotting a plan to extort money to the tune of 25 crore rupees. What more do we know? Take it away.
Well, this is becoming not only murkier but also interesting, because one after the other, this is for the first time, the Narcotics Control Bureau themselves released the list of the witnesses that they will be using in the case. And out of that, 2 witnesses were targeted by the Nationalist Congress Party leader and Minister Nawab Malik, saying that their authenticity, their credibility is at stake. Because one of the witnesses, Kiran Gosavi, is found to be an absconder in Pune police case. The second witness came out to be a worker of a political party, and also their proximity to the accused persons while taking them to the custody also raised a lot of questions. But now the third witness himself have come forward and spoke to India Today yesterday exclusively. Not only he said that his signatures were taken forcibly on the blank papers, but he also charged the Narcotics Control Bureau for extorting money, for trying to extort money. And on the basis of that, now Narcotics Control Bureau themselves have launched a kind of an investigation against Samir Wankhede. There needs to be an internal investigation which will be led by the DDG. And after that, the call will be taken whether Samir Wankhede will be leading the cruise drug bust case or there will be somebody else. Because right now on paper, the investigating officer is the superintendent of the Narcotics Control Bureau in Mumbai. But at the same time, the Narcotics Control Bureau have approached the NDPS court as well. And it is likely that at 2:45, the NDPS court will pass some kind of remarks on the affidavit which has been filed by Samir Wankhede. You know, we have to find out more about that, because Jnaneshwar Singh, the DDG of Narcotics Control Bureau, just said when he came out of the court, he just mentioned that he is supervising the investigation against Samir Wankhede. That's it. That's what he tried to say. But about Prabhakar Sahil, who is a witness, who is also supposed to be a bodyguard of Kiran Gosavi, has completely turned hostile against Narcotics Control Bureau. It's not a trial yet, but Narcotics Control Bureau claims that somebody is approaching them to make them turn hostile. Now, first, let's try and understand from Vidya that what is happening in the NDPS court. What kind of affidavit is this, and will the court pass any kind of strictures ex parte, because there is no notice served yet with respect to that. Vidya, first I want to understand from you, what kind of affidavit is this and what are we expecting from the NDPS court today at 2:45?
Both the NCB and the investigating officer Samir Wankhede, both of them have filed affidavits, and in the affidavits, what I understand from the press is that they are seeking restraining orders of against people, against politicians, against people trying to influence the case. In fact, detailed affidavits, because the NCB is not really willing to discuss what they are really seeking. But what I understand is that what they are seeking is that about restraining orders, trying to see to it that the witnesses are not spoken to. People do not really intervene. Politicians do not really intervene in this case, which is still under investigation by the Narcotic Control Bureau. That's one. And the other part certainly seems like what they have told. Advait Setna, the special public
court, may take due cognizance of the same and pass appropriate orders to preserve and protect the sanctity of the fair and unbiased investigation, which ought not to interfere with any manner whatsoever by the influential people who seem to have own act to grind. What does this mean? What kind of prayer he is trying to make in front of the court right now? You heard what I just read it out to you.
In fact, that is precisely what I'm saying. They are trying to seek that there should be some kind of restraint by people, especially who have made these personal attacks, the politicians who have made personal attacks against Sameer Wankhede. That's precisely what I was saying earlier as well. In fact, both NCB as well as Sameer Wankhede in their prayers have sought that certain kind of restraint should be put, and this certainly can be ex parte at this moment is what I understand, because the court is going to pass an order at around 2:45. We'll really have to see whether the court really takes into cognizance what Wankhede and the NCB are claiming. But at this juncture, they have told the court that because of the entire influence of politicians, of people coming into this case, making personal allegations against Sameer Wankhede himself as well as against the NCB, the entire case, which is still under investigation, is getting impacted, is getting affected, and which is the reason why they want some kind of a restraint to be put into force so that these people do not really indulge into this case where, remember, when Prabhakar really started, his affidavit went out in the public. It was put out on the social media, but it has not been given to the court. This has been cited by Advait Setna as well, where he is saying very clearly that, if he actually wanted to make anything, he could have come to the court. Why did he go to the social media? Why did he have to tell the media as to what he has to say? So these are the things that have been put forth by the NCB in the court, and they seek that there should be some kind of restraint in this.
Because the NCB also filed an affidavit